What if the reason you feel exhausted is not because life is hard, but because आप उन चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करने की ट्राई कर रहे हो that were never yours to control. And the moment you surrender to God, to universe, और जिस भी higher powers में आप believe करते हो, everything begins to shift. And this is not superficial. That's so true. It really does. In this video, we are going deep into what surrender really is, why it changes everything, and how you can start living it in your daily life. हम ना सरेंडर को गलत समझते हैं। हमें लगता है सरेंडर करना मतलब गिव अप करना या फिर कुछ ना करना या फिर हार मान लेना। लेकिन जो रियल सरेंडर का मतलब है, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। इट्स अबाउट डूइंग योर बेस्ट, गिविंग योर बेस्ट, लेकिन आउटकम्स को, कंट्रोल को गॉड पे छोड़ देना। यू स्टिल वर्क, यू स्टिल प्रे, यू स्टिल मेक डिसीजंस, यू स्टिल टेक एक्शंस, बट आप अब हर एक आउटकम को कंट्रोल करना छोड़ देते हो। और आप ये भी नहीं सोचते कि अगर चीज़ें मेरे फेवर में नहीं होती, अगर जिस चीज़ के लिए मैं इतना एफर्ट्स डाल रहा हूँ वो मेरे फेवर में नहीं होती, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? You let God decide what will happen. You just focus on doing what feels right in the present moment. That's what surrender really is. You don't care about the outcomes. You don't try to control things that are beyond your control, because you now realize that everything in the universe is working for you. Like, God is not against you. Universe, they're all working toward our own evolution. So everything that happens in our life is for our highest good. And surrender is faith in action. हमारे ब्रेन को ना अनसर्टेनिटी से डर लगता है, एंड दैट साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रूथ। जब हमारा फ्यूचर अनक्लियर होता है, वी स्टार्ट प्लानिंग मोर, वी ओवर थिंक, राइट? वी फील एंशियस, वी वॉन्ट टू नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन नेक्स्ट, when we will succeed, when we will find love, and when life will make sense, and all that. That's our human mind, that's a human brain that that doubts, जितना ज़्यादा हम इन थॉट्स को फीड करते हैं ना, the tighter we hold on to these thoughts, the more painful life feels, the more painful and heavier everything feels. Imagine आप एक हैवी बैग कैरी कर रहे हो अपने शोल्डर पे ऑल डे। नाउ आपके शोल्डर हर्ट होने लगेंगे, आपके शोल्डर में पेन होने लगेगा, एंड योर एनर्जी स्टार्ट्स ड्रेनिंग, आपको थकान महसूस होगी। नाउ इमेजिन आपने वो बैग उठा के नीचे रख दिया, you will feel relaxed. That's what surrender does. It does not remove the situation. That bag still belongs to you. वो अभी भी आपका ही है. But it removes the weight. And we don't surrender because we have all the answers. We surrender because we trust the one who does. And surrender leads to deep transformation. It does not just changes the situation, but it changes you as a person. It changes the lens through which you see life. It transform your inner world. अब आप ये pray नहीं करते that God please give me this, please make it happen, please bless my plans. Now you just pray, God, do whatever is good for me. Do whatever is best for me in my life, and give me the courage to go through any challenges, any obstacles that life has for me. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली हमको नहीं पता होता कि हमारे लिए क्या सही है। आज जो चीज़ें हमें अच्छी लग रही है, आज जो सिचुएशंस हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमारे लिए ये सही होगी इन फ्यूचर, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि फ्यूचर में भी वो सेम रहे। हम आज के डिसीजंस लेते हैं बेस्ड ऑन हमारी आज की एनर्जेटिक फ्रिक्वेंसी के बेसिस पे, लेकिन इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी द थिंग्स दैट इज़ राइट फॉर यू इन दिस प्रेजेंट टाइम will be right for you in the future. Be it any person that you're getting attracted towards in the present moment, or be it any situation in your life that you feel that this is going to work for you. We don't know. So everything is unpredictable in life, and all we can do is do our best and surrender the rest. That's all in our hands, right? Surrender brings peace even in the middle of chaos. And peace is something that we all want in our life. Not the kind of peace that we get after having perfect circumstances, but the kind of peace that exist even when life is not perfect, even when life is messy. You know, anxiety and surrender does not coexist. जब हम anxious होते हैं ना, हमारे अंदर एक resistance होता है, एक feeling होती है that I need to control this. When things go beyond our hands or control, we start feeling anxious. Like anxiety says, I need to control this. And surrender says, God, I trust you with this. And when you release control to God, you find rest. You allow Him to work beyond your limitations. You surrender aligns you with God's purpose and God's timing. You know, जब हम अपने आप को allow करते हैं to flow with life, to experience deeply whatever life has to offer without being too rigid and holding tightly onto our plans or our things, it can align us with God's timing and with God's purpose towards us. God's plan require you to surrender. You know, think about it. A child is walking with his parents. ठीक है, इस child को कुछ idea ही नहीं है कि where they are going. He does not understand the road. He does not know the route, the destination. He knows nothing, but still he feels safe. He keeps walking because he trusts the one who he is with. And that's what surrender looks like. It's not about having all the answers. It's not about having knowing the entire path. It's not about knowing what tomorrow holds. It's choosing to take the next step anyway because you trust the one who is leading you. जब आप गॉड पे ट्रस्ट करने लगते हो ना, every rejection feels like protection. Everything in your life has meaning. Every challenge feels like opportunity. Every delay feels like preparation because receiving something early can be just as harmful as not receiving at all. So, if you are trying to control everything, if you are tired of carrying the burdens that were never yours to carry, maybe today is your invitation to surrender. Not that you have given up, but because you have finally realized that you don't have to carry everything alone. Do your best, take the next steps, and be responsible for what God has placed in your hands. But release the outcome, release the timeline, release the pressure to have all the answers. Trust that what's meant for you will never miss you. And what misses you, वो आपका कभी था ही नहीं. And surrender is not weakness, it's the greatest act of courage. It's choosing faith over fear, peace over control, and trust over certainty. And maybe the breakthroughs जिसके लिए आप pray कर रहे हो, the transformation, the changes that you want in your life does not begin when your circumstances changes. Maybe it begins the moment when you open your hands and trust God enough to let go. Have a nice day.